Hello children, today I am going to recite alphabetical song for you. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U N V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. Do you know, in English alphabets, there are 26 letters, all with their own sound. These 26 letters are arranged in a fixed order, called alphabetical order or ABC order. We can write the letters in two forms, capital letters and small letters. But today we are not going to write any letter. Rather, I will tell you sound of every letter and few other objects